Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This Panasonic Stand fan customer has given me to repair. So let's see actually what is the problem. Let me turn it on. Plug in. Turn it on. So dear viewers, see there is no power. No power at all. Even no vibrate also. So its problem is the motor. So let me remove the back cover. At first need to turn off the switch. The device is too dirty. Long time they didn't clean. So it's very dirty. So I'll clean, then video will be back. Reverse, I have cleaned by blower. So now problem is the motor, and see this very tight. It should be free. It's very tight. That's why this motor has burned. So it's tight. So reverse, we have to make it free. This armature, this rotor. We put some of the oil, engine oil, front and backside in the bearing. So we have to make it free, because otherwise we if we repair it will burn again. So before we repair we have to make it free. Put oil, then you try to spin by hand, so it will be free. If you put oil after that, then also if it's not free, then you have to open, remove, then you clean by sandpaper. However, you have to make it free, but most of the time if you use oil, then it will be free. So see, now in this case I have put back and front, then now it's become free. So dear, finally it's now free completely. See it's free now. So let's see how to repair it. Dear viewers, if you want to repair any motor, so you need the series line. Yeah, so it's very easy to repair. If anything wrong, then this light will full glow. See, it will fully glow if anything wrong. So you need the series line. So by series line you can repair it very easily. So let's see. So this is the live, and there is the neutral. So I have turned it on. You have to turn it on the switch. Then from live you can try one by one. See, it's turning, but light also glowing. So not here, not here. Yeah, it's spinning. See, from live, and if I think this live and this neutral, so if I connect live and neutral, so fan is spinning. Okay, so that means this neutral is missing. See, this neutral it has come here. This is our neutral wire. This is the black neutral wire. So there is inside this fuse through the black wire, so that fuse has gone. So this is our black neutral wire. So this neutral wire I'll remove, then I'll connect to the capacitor. This is both of capacitor, red, left and right. So this black wire I'll remove, and then I'll connect to the capacitor, then it will work. See, yeah. So I'll remove it. So this is the black neutral. Then I'll connect to the capacitor. Yeah, I'll test plug-in. So inshallah it will work. See dear viewers, it's fan now spinning. So I'll fix all the cover. So finally dear viewers, it's working very good. So you can apply this method, Panasonic stand fan, very easy way to fix it. Thank you dear viewers. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.